Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to get coins on Temu app easily. So guys, before we begin, you can click on my link in the description below to get a $100 coupon bundle, or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. So now with that said, once you are on Temu, just simply go ahead and tap on you here on the middle. And from here, guys, you should be able to see here, earn credits and free gifts. So if you don't have that option, what you could try to do is simply go to your settings over here at the top right corner of the screen beside the headset icon, and make sure you are on the country and region of United States in order for you to see the earn credits and free gifts. So now let's tap on that. And from here, guys, you should have here multiple options that you can choose from. And as you can see, we have here redeem credit. So just simply tap on it. And from here, guys, you'll be able to get coins on Temu by just simply tapping on refer new app users. And from here, just simply go ahead and share this link to your friends and to other social media platforms, as you can see over here. Or you can just simply copy the link over here, and after that you can just send it to various social application. And guys, once your friends or someone click on the link and join Temu, you will earn a reward, and after that you'll be able to spin the wheel over here and you'll be able to get more coins, and from there you'll be able to redeem it as a credit. And you can do this process by again referring your friends and then get a spin, and you'll be able to get more coins. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!